The one pen which is USP of Smart is Magic Pen. So let us see how Magic Pen can enhance the teaching and learning process. So I go to gallery and let me get a picture of. So let us see how Magic Pen can enhance the teaching and learning process. Magic Pen is the USP of Smart. It is not available in any of the competitive brand. As a teaching faculty, teaching is a passion. All the teaching faculties are committed with lot of passion. We deliver the lecture in the classroom. The challenge is physically the kids are sitting in front of us, but are they in sync with us? Many times it happens physically they are sitting and they are seeing our lecture. We feel they are attentive, but mentally they are eating their favorite dish. They are playing their favorite game. So how to check the attention of students in the classroom? As so far we were asking questions just to understand are they in sync with us. So Smart has got a Magic Pen. So we can choose Magic Pen and whatever we are explaining we can write. This is a skull. These are teeth, and we can wait for fraction of seconds, have a look around the whole class, and after fraction of seconds what we have written is wiped off. So now you can ask students what was written few seconds before. So this way, once the students they come to know the teaching faculty is using Magic Pen, they'll be attentive in the class. The theory of conditioning, where in theory of conditioning, when we used to ring the bell and after fraction of seconds we used to offer the food to a dog. So when we do this for few days, the dog is conditioned, and when the bell is ringing he will run for the food. So this is theory of conditioning. When we go to see a movie, we prefer the last benches, last rows. When we go to see a movie, we prefer the last row. But in the class, every child would prefer to sit on the front row. As a teaching faculty, we are also under tremendous pressure from the parents to make every child sit on the first row. It is not possible to make a child sit on the first row. The challenge is the back benchers are unable to see the things clearly on the blackboard or on the projection, which means as a teaching faculty we require a tool whereby we can magnify the part of the image on which we are delivering lecture. So suppose we are teaching on skull. So with the Magic Pen we need to just draw a rectangle and it is magnified. So we can magnify further by touching the center portion and dragging it, and if we move towards the left we can make it small or the normal size. The third challenge the teaching faculty faces is she is explaining about the skull, but when we show the complete diagram the attention goes to the other parts of the diagram. How to stop the distraction and bring the focus of all the class into the area on which you are delivering lecture? Instead of drawing a rectangle, you draw a circle. So when you draw a circle, only the portion on which you are explaining is shown, is highlighted. The other area is dark. Now this also you can touch in the center, and you can, when you move towards the right hand side, you are expanding the circle. You can move this circle as per your teaching goes. So you can even reduce the size of the circle, and you can, when you touch the border, you can move this. So this is eye, These are the teeth, and you can explain in a better way. So magic pen is also called the retention pen. Today we teach, and important is till how many days this information the child can retain. So if you teach with magic pen, the retention is very high. So we have completed different types of pens which can add value in teaching and learning process. We have also gone through the eraser. Now there are situations when we need to draw the basic shapes. Maybe the math teacher or science teacher or a drawing teacher. So when we see, there are two types of shapes on Smart Notebook software. The basic shapes, when I touch on the basic shapes, I get the basic shapes. So depending on what image you need to pick up, you can just click and drag. Just click, drag. Drag is important. Just click, drag. These are the basic shapes. How about polynomial? So you see, next to the basic shapes I've got a polynomial. So moment I touch or I click the polynomial, I get different polynomials option. So you can just pick up and you can draw those basic shapes also. As a teaching faculty, we always struggle for the images. We sit on internet and keep on searching images. We sit on newspapers, magazines, invest lot of time to get the images. In Smart Notebook, Smart has gallery of images subject wise. So moment I touch a photo frame icon, I get gallery essential. So moment I touch gallery essential, I get different subjects. English, if I click on English, I'll get alphabets, grammar, numbers. If I click geography, so on the top section I've got the subjects, and below I've got pictures. So moment I click on pictures, I get different pictures which are readily available from 1st standard to 12th standard. So basic images what we require, maybe different types of maps. So we can just, the option is we can just choose the subject and we can get the options. That is one way of getting the images. The other way is just like we type in Google. So here we can type and we can get the images. So we can type here. I have typed animals in gallery. So when I click on animals, I get pictures. When I click on pictures, these are the pictures. Different types of animals are readily available here. So as a teaching faculty, you can just go through these images and you can get these images. These are the basic images.